What's up, my super duper supporters? In today's video, I am going to be making Louisiana hot sauce hot wings. Yes, that's what I'm doing today. So, bear with me, sit back, please enjoy the video, you guys. This is my first time trying it with the Louisiana hot sauce. I'm going to show y'all how I make my sauce and all that good stuff. So y'all know what to do. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell button. That way y'all know every time Cal's Original Family drop a video. And I'll catch y'all on the back end. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Please enjoy the video. Hold on, y'all. Let me put this in there. Let me drop the first batch up in here. Make sure this grease gonna be hot. Yes, you want that grease hot, 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 hot. Oh, and one more thing. I'm doing lemon pepper french fries too. I'll let that out. Other than that, y'all stay tuned.